Good morning everyone. So welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to share the recipe of oatmeal with you. In this recipe we will make the oatmeal sugar free and will utilize fructose through apple. So I have washed the apple. I cut it down like this and soaked it in salty water for few minutes so that if there are any disinfectants so that can be removed through this process. So now I am bringing out the apples from this water and will wash it again so that the saltiness will be removed. Now I am going to chop these apple pieces into this chopper. This is a manual chopper which is affordable and saves your utility bills also. Okay, so now it's like finally chopped. Gate open hai. So now I will add some water into this. Yes, baby. I'm preparing oatmeal for you. Now I will chop it again. Okay, so I am done with the chopping process and we'll pour this in a pan. So now I have turned on the gas and boiling this on the gas. I am adding oats to the chopped apples. Now after adding oats, I will cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes like this so that oats can be soaked in the water content I have added into this. We give a slight soaking to the oats through this process. And after both of these things immerse with each other properly, we will add milk. So this can also be called as apple kheer or apple oats kheer. Now everything will be mixed together properly. Maybe maximum 3 to 4 minutes will be consumed in this process to make this that medium thick and the delicious meal in which everything is mixed properly. If you don't know there is apple, you can't you can't even know that there is apple or not. We can do two things. We can grind apple in the mixer grinder or we can chop this. So chopping is better because you can at least feel very minimal chunks. So I use this energy efficient tool to chop my apples. So anyone can take this. Oatmeal can be taken by everyone, babies or elders, anyone. This is containing the fructose amount in good quantity. This is good for health. We will give another 2 minutes to this and a stir. I am adding little bit of milk into this. even add banana with apple, but that makes this dish very thick, so that's why I just added apple. You can make it individually with apple. Make sure that the oats are cooked very well. I should do two things. You can use these white oats, or you can use whole oats and soak them at night. But make sure that you cook them in the early morning, because the whole oats are very hard to cook faster. So if you do pre-soaking, then it becomes easy to cook them in the morning like this. Okay, so our oatmeal is ready. Now we will serve this. So make sure that this is not just a baby recipe, it's a very healthy recipe, a lifesaver for people who are looking for liquids and dependent on the healthy foods only. Okay. People who don't want to take added sugar can also have this meal. This is just a one stop meal which provides you a lot of nutrition. Oats containing vitamin B12, which is quite rare to find in veg. Vitamin B12, and there are many more nutrients, but oats are very rich in vitamin B12, which is generally found in non-vegetarian things. So here our oatmeal is ready. You can have this in the morning or at your comfort. So if you are taking it at night, then make sure to take it before 7 for best results, and also know your health conditions at first. Then you can take these things for yourself, because everyone has different body conditions, different health conditions. So know your body and then take meals. Thanks for watching the video. I'm very happy that I have shared something from my cooking diaries with you. If you like this video, then please subscribe, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you everyone.